Y ahora, this is the second stage of the process. We are now in the packing and inspection room. And as you remember, we have the power tools in here. I have my silicone heat protecting gloves. This is really important part of my PPE to avoid any burns because this is extremely hot. Before releasing the load from the washer disinfector, I need to check if the cycle is fast and the temperature was right. So in this case, the temperature was the minimum temperature was 92.5 degrees and the maximum was 93 degrees. So the status of the load is fast. So I'm wearing my gloves on and I be sure this really has the brakes on. I take the brush out, and to prevent back injury, I use the trolley as close as I can to the dryer. So I open the dryer, to go to the dryer in this case, and I hold carefully the power tool. I need to wait until it's totally dry to avoid the microbial growth. You know, as bacteria, fungus, prions, and fungi, prions, bacteria, or viruses can be in moisture. So we need to wait at least half an hour to let the instrument be totally dry. Thank you. When we are in the packing room doing the inspection of the power tools, so I recently took the power tools from the dryer to the bench. But before I place the power tools in here, I just clean the bench to be sure there's no any contaminants that can be in contact with the instruments. I use, of course, my silicone heat gloves. I already removed my gloves and I already wash my hands. So we have a recipe where is every single instrument. We check the mini driver handpiece, the skeletal saw, and the other attachment are exactly the same as shown in the recipe. This to avoid confusion with other instruments or with a striker power tool or large power tools. So we have to check the functionality of the power tools before packing the instrument in the fitted container. So I have this battery is fully charged. I take the mini driver handpiece and I just place the battery and I check if the instrument is functional and is going to be working when they open the instrument in the operation. So carefully I remove the battery and I place all the instruments. They are already being checked. Everything is part of the set. And carefully I place power tools straight inside. And we check the filters is well positioned and the pressure is well attached to the lid. Then we check if the chemical end indicator for a steam is in. The recipe of the that the nurses can check is if they have everything they need inside. And we close the replace this another type of indicator. So this shows the instrument has been opened before for someone else. Or this is another indicator that has to change all the way for the stabilizer. So we leave the black dot and the outside, and we label the name of the instrument. In this case is micro or power touch, and I sign with my name. So I'm being uncomfortable for the process of this power touch. And then it's ready to be placed in the sterilization. So I'm going to place on the bottom of the rack because it's the way we avoid any heavy instrument has to be on the bottom. Otherwise, if we place a heavy set on top, it's going to be a moisture.